Think about it. When was the last time you updated your device software? If it's been a while, you might be unintentionally exposing yourself to potential digital threats. For those who aren't familiar with the process, updating your device's software might seem like a daunting task, but fear not. Today, we're breaking down the steps to make it as easy as pie, no matter what device you're using. First up, iPhone. Here's how to update your software. Start by selecting Settings on your iPhone's home screen. Next, you'll want to click on General. From there, select Software Update. You'll see an option to download and install any available updates. Select this. Then, to install the updates, you'll need to enter your iPhone passcode. Now, for the Android users out there, to update your device, follow these steps. Begin by going into your phone's Settings. Next, select System. From there, select Advanced. Finally, choose System Update to find any available updates. Mac users, don't worry, we haven't forgotten about you. To update your system, do the following. First, open the System Settings app. Click on Software Update. If there are any updates available, click Update Now. To proceed, you'll need to enter your administrator password. And last but not least, PC users. To ensure your systems are up to date, use these steps. Begin by opening Internet Explorer. Next, select Tools. From there, choose Windows Update. Then select Microsoft Update. Click Try Microsoft Update Today, followed by Start Now. You'll need to click Continue, and then read the license agreement. A security warning box will appear. Finally, select Install to complete the process. In conclusion, maintaining your digital security is a crucial task that should never be overlooked. Regular software updates are an easy and effective way to protect your devices from potential threats. By following these simple steps, you can keep your devices safe and secure. Remember, in the world of digital security, prevention is always better than cure. So don't delay those software updates. Thank you for joining us on this journey through digital security best practices. For more tips and insights into the world of technology, subscribe to Geek Inside. Until next time, stay safe and stay secure.